So, you're interested in starting a dropshipping business that will allow you to make over $1,000 per day, become financially free, and live in your best life, but you're not sure where to start? Well, don't worry. I'm here to help regular, everyday people like you make money online using simple strategies and tools so you can earn passive income, stop struggling to make ends meet, and ultimately take back more of your time and gain the financial freedom you so deserve. In this video, I'll be showing you exactly how to start a successful dropshipping business from scratch. But you need to watch this entire video to the end and don't skip any of the instructions. And then actually go out there, start dropshipping, stay consistent, and trust the process. Then there's a very high chance that you'll be successful and make money online. So, before we get into today's video, what's going on, guys? I'm Lorna Recommend. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hello and thanks for stopping by. Please be sure to like, subscribe and click the notification bell down below to stay updated with all the latest videos that I upload to this channel on how to make money online. Also, don't forget to leave a comment below and let us know how you're getting on. So, without further ado, let's go right ahead and dive on into this great way for you to begin drop shipping and to make over 1K per day. The first step to drop shipping successfully is finding a good product to sell and a product that is right for you. This is honestly the most important part and will either make or break your business. So let's go over some product criteria. First, you need a product that you can create viral videos with, because this way you can actually create viral advertisements. Next, you want to find a product that can add value to someone's life. Of note, guys, products that solves a problem usually does really well. For example, if someone is insecure about their beard, they would go and buy the beard roller because it would help with beard growth. Or if someone is not happy with their skincare routine because it's not delivering, then they would go out and try a couple other brands until they achieve the glowing skin they are looking for. So any product that adds value or solves someone's problem would ultimately be a good product to sell. That said, next, try to find a product that really catches your attention. So you know those products that when you see them, you instantly want to buy them. And yes, for sure, those products usually do really well. This is an example of a product that you'd impulsively buy right away. It's a 3-in-1 razor, which is super convenient and solves a huge problem for a lot of people. Next, always make sure the product has demand. So this is what you are to do. If there are other dropshipping stores that are successfully selling your product or a product you so love, that means it's more than likely it has demand. Now then, if you also want to sell the product successfully, you need to look at what your competition is doing and you need to figure out a way to do better. For sure, there's always things you can improve. For example, you should make your store look more branded, make your video ads more appealing, and come up with a marketing strategy that would completely demolish theirs. And ultimately, that's how you're going to win. Therefore, there is no need for you to reinvent the wheel. You just need to do it better than your competitor, which is not hard to do by following the instructions I'm about to give you. And lastly, make sure your product has a good profit margin. Keep in mind that you want to try to sell your product for at least 3 times more than the price you bought it for. There's really no point in selling a product that only has 1 to 3% profit margin. So that's it when it comes to product criteria. So now let's go over how you can actually find great winning product. Now Now, there are many ways you can find good products, but let's start with the very first one, which is using the TikTok Creative Center. Here on the TikTok Creative Center, if you scroll down where it says Top Ads, click View More, and here you're going to see the top performing ads on TikTok. So I recommend adding some filters. Here I'm going to select all product sales, and now let's look through these videos. A lot of the time you can find a lot of really cool products right here. These obviously aren't all drop shipping products, but some are. For example, here is a cool drop shipping product that you could consider selling, and the fact that they're running ads could mean it's selling very well for them. So definitely take advantage of TikTok. Moving on, let me tell you about a cool way to find a winning product for your Shopify store. You can use an app called AutoDS, which not only helps you find winning products, but also acts as a supplier. It's such a great way to find winning products because there's no need for you to be spending hours scrolling on Facebook and TikTok. To use AutoDS, you need to first create a Shopify account. Just sign up for a free trial and enjoy 3 months of Shopify for $1. Once you've created your store, you can add AutoDS to it, and in AutoDS, you can click on the marketplace to find a ton of winning products. You can filter by fast shipping or supplier to find products that ship from AutoDS warehouse. These products have faster shipping times and great pricing. So then, once you find a product you want to sell, check out on the product analysis section, which shows you how much it's been sold for, the target audience, and even a Facebook ad. If you're ready to sell the product, click on Import Product and it will be sent to your Shopify store. Anytime a customer purchases a product from your store, it will show up in the order section and you can fulfill the order and it will ship directly to the customer. To make your store look like an actual brand, make sure you have high quality images, a brief description with GIFs, highlighting important information and customer reviews. It's a good idea for you to add another 3 to 4 products to your store. That way it makes your store look more legit and can be upsold to your customers. Marketing is usually the most challenging part for people, but it doesn't have to be. Now then, when a customer wants to buy your product from your store and when they get to their cart, you can offer them another product to purchase right here, and this can so easily boost your sales by at least 10%. In order to set this up on your store, you're going to use the Shopify app, a card drawer. Now, moving on, once your store is all done, your next step will be marketing, and this is usually the most challenging part for people. They will spend hundreds and even thousands of dollars on advertising and get very few sales. However, this marketing strategy will help you avoid making this mistake. So let's go over it. If you're new to drop shipping, then it's best to first test out organic marketing on TikTok, Instagram, and Pinterest, all for free. So don't even consider paying for ads yet. On TikTok, search for your product and check out your competitors' videos to see which ones are performing the best. You are then to remake something similar with your own product from Amazon, and chances are if your competitors' content has gone viral, then yours will too. So aim to post 1 to 3 videos every day, especially when you're first starting out. TikTok is just such a cool app where you can play around with the different sounds and trends. Make sure to have a blast with it and be patient and consistent, and eventually you will see results. Now, let's talk about Instagram and Pinterest marketing strategy. All you need to do is repost your TikToks on both platforms. Instagram Reels is just like TikTok, so you'll get the same engagement. You can easily download your TikTok without a watermark using a Snaptic app and then repost them on Instagram and Pinterest without the watermark. Once you've been consistent and start seeing results, you can take things to the next level and try out Facebook and TikTok ads. Just don't jump into ads until you've made at least $1,000 organically. So that's it for now, guys. This is Lorna Recommend. Please remember to subscribe, like, and share my video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.